iZiv Clean Hands Changing Pad, 3 inches 1 diaper by iZiv is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. 100% polyester baby diaper clutch, folds small and holds diapering. Imported, a great gift for newborn baby. Please feel free to contact them if you have any question. The seller Achilles Trade is selling iZiv brand product without the manufacturer's permission. Please complain this bad behavior to Amazon when you buy the item without iZiv tag from Achilles Trade. 100% polyester baby diaper clutch. Folds small and holds diapering. Changing pad. Large water-resistant changing pad with 4 inches thick foam pillow. Sides fold up and loops allow you to attach toys to keep those curious little hands happy during changing time. Updated design has smooth Velcro, 2 toy links to make hanging toys easy, and an elastic closure so more supplies fit inside. Easy to use, carry and clean and folds down to a slim and stylish, oversized clutch will win compliments wherever you and baby travel.